This is very amazing. Also, today on the 20th of March 2023, we have the Stekes ink on Porintie Björneborgsvägen 2, the last one to be filmed here in this residential building. And all of them are filmed, all 8 out of 8, so you can watch them here. From A to H, A, B, C, D, F, G, H, all of them are filmed. It was built in 1958 and probably finished in late 1958 due to the lights here, which are reminiscent of the MB6 type of lights. The best takes 2 versus 160 grams, very tiny. For 8 floors, it's really rare because this is the tallest in Finland. For only 2 persons, so far the best. I haven't seen it for 8 floors and 2 persons. The number says 7523, and the expected this year 2023 as well. Let's try to get 3 right here.
Yeah.
Munkkivuori Munkshöjden, close to Munkkivuori here in Helsinki, for Suomi, Finland.
Dit på vainskuttant meidän pääsplan hissi.
Joo. Nobody's coming.
Yeah.
Let's go back to the ground floor. That's it. Thank you very much for watching. The sound in here.
Same here.
Needs much the rest of them. From Stekes speed to H here.
That's
Only the